techies, welcome or welcome back to kaetalkstech. I'm Kay, so let's talk tech. So today I was looking at one publication that I look at from time to time. So I was in the CIO magazine that's online, and they were talking about, yeah, it's not your imagination. The job market is kind of dismal. It's the fewest number of IT job postings in 10 years. And there's all types of shenanigans going on with that. But come to my job search workshop. It's coming. It's going to be next week at this point. I was going to try and do it Friday, but I don't think I'm quite ready. So, and it's free. It's free. And I'll tell you what I did to get multiple offers and get hired after almost 2 years of unemployment. Okay. So the other thing that they were talking about on CIO magazine is DEI rollbacks. Now, DEI is controversial, but I think if you followed things, you found out that DEI affects a lot of people. It's women. It's not just minorities. It's veterans. It's which if you have jobs where only one type of person is being hired in the beautiful mosaic of America, then if you believe in equity, you have to do something to open the door so that people will be allowed to compete for those jobs who don't look like who traditionally has staffed those jobs. I really think we need to change everything about our country just because there's plenty of everything in the universe for everybody. And we shouldn't have to do this, but because of history, we do. So, like I said, it's women, it is different ethnic groups, it is transgender, LGBTQ plus, excuse me, it is veterans. So yeah, it's almost everybody, right? Except for the good old boys who were the ones that were getting all the jobs. So, there's got to be space for everybody. But a lot of companies have gotten pressure from conservative groups, and so they've dropped their DEI or changed it in some way. IBM, Facebook, or rather Meta, Google, there's really on OpenAI, there's really only a few who haven't changed, and the article did talk about them specifically, and it mentioned Oracle and NVIDIA did not change anything based on pressure from conservative groups. So, at some point we just have to support the people who support us, and that's for all Americans, okay? Because who wants to see jobs leave this country and go someplace else? So that's a concern as well. The other thing that was really interesting that caught my eye on CIO magazine was they talked about certifications and the value of certifications, and that they're very valuable in an IT career, whether you are an entry level candidate. You could really distinguish yourself. Even if you have that degree, you could go ahead and then get a certification and really distinguish yourself in that way, because in today's job market you really have to look out. You really have to stand out. If you have a gap in skills, you get the certification, you close the gap, right? And if you need a project, create one yourself and put it in your portfolio. And I talked about that YouTube channel. So if you go to my YouTube channel and you search how to break into tech, and I think I said 4 steps, I lay it all out for you. And then, of course, if you are trying to career pivot, and even if you are a seasoned professional, IT career certificate can be useful to you. And the number one certificate, security. $203,000 a year average. Average means across the entire country. So if you live in a high cost of living state, that 203,000 will be looking a lot higher. Okay, that's it. That's all I have for you in the moment. Like the video, share the video, follow the channel, check out my website, check out the masterclass together, and then come on back where we will once again talk tech. Bye.